Hi everybody! So I'm on day 21 of my fast and I'm gonna break it today. So this is what I'm gonna break it with. This is some cantaloupe style melon that we grew in our garden just the past summer, and we had a really nice success with our melons, so we freezed a bunch of them, and the freeze is quite good. As you can see, there are still pieces, and of course it leaves quite a lot of water when you defreeze them. So this is what I'm gonna break my fast with, and this doesn't represent all the melon that I will be eating today. So this is like the first portion, but I have a whole bowl of those. So in total it will be almost like 400 calories, and that represents almost 1.2 kilos of melon. So yeah, I'm gonna be eating that in several sittings, and just a quick recap of my last days. The last video I did was on day 15, now we are on day 21. So I think my skin looks pretty good. Well, much better than it did before I began the fast. I will be putting some pictures at the end of the video so you can see how my skin looked before my herb treatment, and then after the herb treatment, and now after the fast. So yeah, the last 5-6 days weren't easy. On day 16, 17 and 18 I was feeling more and more tired each day. On day 17, 18, even on day 19, I had a little bit of nausea, and I read that it's quite normal to have a second phase of nausea. I had it at the beginning a little bit, when the body was transitioning from burning sugar to burning fat, and when it was adapting to this new function. But then everything went well. I even had an increase of energy, as I told you, around day 10, 11, something like that. But now on those last few days, it was out of the question for me to go take a walk or play in the kitchen or do anything else but just lay down. And my nights were also very uneasy. I, wo- I went to bed almost at 7:30, 8 o'clock, but I couldn't fall asleep, and I didn't have any comfortable position in the bed. I was turning and tossing around, and then I would finally fall asleep around like a little bit past midnight, sometimes at 1 o'clock, and I would wake up the next, well, we were already the next day, but I woke up a lot around 4:30, something like that. I would stay in bed for quite a little longer, just resting, and at about 7:30, 8 o'clock, I would get up and go down and start to the day in a way, which would consist in resting some more, but that's how I'm dealing with it. I think it's a good idea to let the body do what it has to do without asking too much energy of it through exercise or something like that. Especially for me, in those last few days, I couldn't do anything. I noticed that I really had low energy in the morning, and throughout the day it would increase a little bit. Like I was able to have a conversation without being without puffing and without being out of breath. But like first time in the morning when I came downstairs and I was talking to my love, and if I wanted to explain something or to say something, after just a few words I would be out of breath, and I just say to him, oh, okay, I will talk to you later. So yeah, so that's how it goes, but all around I'm pretty happy that I did it. I think my body was able to handle it, and I think I did good. So now it's time for a little reward. I think I'm gonna start with drinking a little bit of juice, and I took up my favorite spoon. It's a wooden spoon. Oh my god, that's sweet! That's a spoon I bought in Vermont a few years ago, and my spoon never felt so delicious. So here we go, guys. Oh wow. Ah, that's so nice. Oh wow. It's not overly sweet. It's just perfect. Oh my god. Mm. Oh wow. And that's just the juice. Oh man. Oh. That's amazing. I don't want to bother you because it might take me a long time to drink all of this. I'll try to fast forward it if I can, but if not, then because I'm not too too gifted with video editing, so I'm if I can fast forward it, I will. But if not, then I'll just cut the video here and put the pictures I was talking about. But yeah. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's really gonna take me a long time because I don't want to drink all this water like in one gulp. I'm gonna drink it like slowly. But one thing I want to mention, I'm planning to start doing a little bit more videos, but those will be in French. Some recipe videos about raw vegan food or vegan food. And yeah, I hope to be consistent at it, and I already have some recipe ideas I want to share, and yeah, so once again, if you want to come along for the ride, you're more welcome to stick around. And even if those are in French, I'll probably link down below like all the recipe as well, like the ingredients and how to make it, and it will be in English as well, so that way you can have an idea of what's going on. And I will do a recap video on my fast in French, yeah, to explain how my experience was. So see you later, guys. Bye.